I'm with Matt at the Kelex booth here at the Locksmith Expo here at South Point, Las Vegas. You have some interesting locks. I like the fact that they're engineered and designed in Japan. Great reliability, great engineering. So if you could conceptually give me an idea of what these locks are since it's new to the market.
Sure, they're fully mechanical. We do have like a very quick, easy passcode reset option with a key. So if you turn the key to the right, it clears the code, put it back to 0, and now it would function with no code. If you put in a new code, say 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you turn it to the left, back to 0, that is now your code. So that is now changed, and that's your new code.
When you put in code 1, 2, 3, 4, will 4, 3, 2, 1 work as well too? Is my eyesight getting bad, or do I see letters on there as well too?
There is letters as well.
So it'll just be another character?
Correct.
So you have that multiple of combinations.
Gives you more options, combination of choices.
This button clears it, and this button says I've got my code in and turn it. I noticed that there's several different models.
Yes.
And I even see that there's the sliders as well too. These are basically just different types of installations.
Yes, so this would be like a surface mount just for a gate. Now this one is the only one of the options that does not have the quick passcode change. It would be more of a traditional where you'd have to take the lock body off and change the pins from the back. This is the only one that would be like that. All the rest of them have the key function in the back.
And do all of these have the key override in the front?
They do have the key override in the front. Right.
Gotcha.
And these all also have key override, so it's down here at the bottom. Same with all these others.
Oh, okay. I actually didn't notice that. So these are key override on the bottom, which is kind of cool because the fact that it's on the bottom, it's less likely that somebody would want to vandalize it or try to pick it.
And it also keeps it free of debris or dust or anything like that that could like clog it up or jam it up outside in the weather.
I noticed these plates right here. Are these shims or are these templates?
Well, I mean, you could use them as a template, but it's also a back plate, so more for like this one on the bigger door. It would cover your pre-existing holes that maybe this smaller body wouldn't cover.
Oh, gotcha. So if you've got a big 2 3/8 inch hole. Okay, now I get you. Had said that yesterday. I was like, it just went in one ear and out the other.
Yeah, so it's a back plate.
Gotcha. And then the idea behind these is just protection.
That is protection, again, to keep it from the elements and dust.
Here in Las Vegas, it's completely different heat than everywhere else. Having that like that will keep the temperature of the buttons down as well, too. This one's actually kind of unique because it's not a traditional swinging door. What's this one
This is for a sliding door. So this has the latch in the back that's just like a hook that would be seen on a normal sliding door. Same functionality.
The handle design is really unique.
Yeah, so this is actually a prototype. It was for meeting ADA requirements.
And did you meet ADA requirements?
Yes.
Makes complete sense that the handle's not like this as you're pulling it that direction. Designed and manufactured in Japan?
Fully. It's also hand assembled.
Hand assembled by him?
Not by him, but.
And then where would they go in order to find out more information?
So they can go to KelexUSA.com. That would be, it's like what you see on our flyers and our business cards.
And how quick are we going to see them in the U.S.?
So the end of this year is the production run. We should have them at the beginning of next year here in the U.S. for sale.
Through distribution or direct or both?
Both.
Thank you very much, Matt. Appreciate it.